What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Looking
What's
at
he got?
tomatoes?
So is your tomatoes?
Yeah, I like tomatoes. Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, try going inside and see what he does.
All right. Uh-oh. What happened?
Say bye-bye, tomatoes.
The tomatoes. You go inside. Nope, not gonna do it.
Give him a second.
Do you remember your tomatoes? No? Oh well.
The football's on.
Yep.
You wouldn't know it, but 5 seconds ago he was bawling his head off, and Eric took him out to see his tomatoes, and he was happy. And yesterday we did tomatoes cry, tomatoes cry, tomatoes cry.